Hello students, in this video we shall read a poem from your English textbook First Flight. Students, in the earlier video we had discussed stanza 2 and 3 and now we shall discuss stanza 4 and 5. Our poem is A Tiger in the Zoo and it is written by poet Leslie Norris. Let us read stanza 4, line 1. But he is locked in a concrete cell. Line 2. His strength behind bars. Line 3. Stalking the length of his cage. Line 4. Ignoring visitors. Students, let us try to understand its explanation. Here, the poet stops thinking about the tiger's life in the jungle and he says that tiger is caged in a small concrete cell in the zoo. It seems to the poet that tiger is like a prisoner there. Hence, all his strength or power is behind the bars. Further, the poet says that the tiger pays no attention to the visitors who come to see him every day in the zoo. And inside the cage, the tiger only moves slowly and silently up and down. Dear students, you may note down the meaning of few words of this stanza. And the first word is locked, which means imprisoned. Next word is strength, which means power. Students, let us read stanza 5. Line 1. He hears the last voice at night. Line 2. The patrolling cars. Line 3. And stares with his brilliant eyes. Line 4. At the brilliant stars. Students, let us try to understand stanza 5. Here, the poet tells us about the daily routine of the tiger. During the day, he does not rest because of the visitors. And at night, it does not sleep and hears the last voice of the zookeeper. All night, the tiger gets disturbed due to the noise of the patrolling cars. So the tiger keeps staring or looking at the bright stars with his brilliant eyes. The imprisoned tiger does it so as if asking to someone why he has been behind the bars. Therefore, as conclusion, we can say that each living being likes freedom. Here in the poem, we have seen that imprisonment affected the natural behavior of a tiger. So, we must respect nature and its creatures too. Students, we have completed the poem A Tiger in the Zoo. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you.